In this video, we're going to be looking at what's called the sequence control structure. The sequence control structure is the most simplest and basic form of control structure. Think of it as the most basic template that every good programmer should use. What this means is that every single program contains a beginning, a series of instructions that doesn't deviate, and an end. So how does this look in pseudocode? So in pseudocode, it would be a stepped instructions with no deviation or no indenting. In flowcharts, it would also be the same. Now, there are not many programs out there that would have just a sequence of instructions. Usually they'd have more advanced control structures. However, we've got some worked examples here, which we'll go through. The first is write an algorithm that would enter a person's first name and type hello to the person. So you can see here, I've indented the main line just to make it easier. So you got begin, and remember I've capitalized reserved words just to show that they can't be used for variable names. So input name, print hello name. Now the hello, anything that's in double quotes or single quotes means that it's basically going to be printed to the screen as is. And then name, which will be a simple variable string data type, will be whatever you enter in. So if your name is Peter, then it'll say hello Peter. So if we look at a more advanced one, write an algorithm that will calculate a person's weekly pay given the hours worked and their rate of pay per hour. So you got here begin, input pay per hour and hours. So remember before I said you can comma out multiple types of input if you like, and same with output. We then have a calculation, which is weekly pay equals pay per hour times hours worked, and then we can print out that weekly pay. The next one we have here is writing an algorithm that will add two numbers together and then add their total. So you can see the same thing again. We have a reserved word, input number one, input number two, and we have a calculation of total equals number one plus number two, and then we print out that total. Now, my advice to you is to work through the worksheet that's attached here. If you've got any questions, please let me know.